we will be witnessing the opening and blessing of Shopmate One-Stop Shop, of course, to the right drive-thru, to the right cafe cart, and to the right massage.
Marapat lamang na anayahan natin siya upang sa kanyang pamamalagi na siyang pinagmumuna ng lahat ng grasya at biyaya ay mas mag-umapaw pa ang blessing sa lugar na ito.
Maraming salamat sa inyong endless support and for believing not only with me but for Shopmate Group. Maraming salamat po.
To the Right Massage is a clinic where those people who will be having their massage services will not just be given relaxation, but they will be, prior to the service, be given the ultimate and the precise diagnosis of what they feel, because we are happy to present to you globally competent massage therapists, wellness massage therapists that we have trained. Ladies and gentlemen, here they are.
Welcome to the Right Cafe, Hanulian Branch!
Maraming salamat po sa pag-invite po sa akin dito, and gusto ko po mag-congrats sa Shopmate Group Corporation. I hope na lumaki po yung business, dumami pa yung branches.
We are, Shopmate Group Corporation is actually overwhelmed, speechless still sa support po na natatanggap namin. To all the people who grace this ceremony and event, thank you so much po. So much. More Shopmate! Go!